it's very tasty, that one, too. Oh, there we go. We're live, fucks. Haven't done one of these in a few days. Was enjoying my vacation. Got the fucking gorilla.
Brad, how was your vacation overall? Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was.
Different.
I could have gone to fucking South Beach and stayed at a fucking one of their resorts down there, really. I mean,
yeah.
Like Chris O'Toole, look, Leonard finally caught on.
Well, you just need the different variation, the little break. Tired of drinking that Carbolin and this hydrolyzed protein bullshits.
Best post-workout shake.
Low fat and lactose free.
Shit.
You have over 90 grams of protein in it, over 90 grams of carb, 90 grams of sugar. Just what you need after the workout.
That's in that whole thing, or per serving? No,
the whole thing.
Per serving.
What do you mean per serving?
Yeah, right.
This is 4 servings out of it.
I just had an 8 moment.
I guess if you're the size of Ant-Man Chance, you couldn't handle this in one serving, but I don't know what this guy's trying to do. He's all bulked up. The 1 year he cuts up, he looks good. Lost size, but...
Who are you talking about now?
Dale Chance. I expect to see him breaking scales next year.
You hear that, Dale?
After this,
We want you breaking scales.
After he's given the green light.
300 rip, Dale.
You remember what Lee Priest used to weigh? Remember how quick he got into shape?
And Dale's as tall as Lee Priest. He's 5'6", right?
I don't think he's taller than that, but...
Who, Lee Priest?
Dale. He's taller than Lee Priest.
Yeah, that interview you sent me with him and Palumbo was great.
Yeah, I think Mark's the size of Lee Priest.
I thought Lee Priest was a little prick, but now that I've watched more of his interviews and shit, I like Lee Priest.
I got respect for him because he was hitting the KFC in his off-season to grow. He's all your Count Chocula and Fruit Loops, McDonald's.
He's fucking funny, that guy.
Chocolate chip cookies. Because he knows that you need calories, carbs to grow. I mean, you're going to get plenty of protein if you eat a fucking KFC.
I think he said he was on a McDonald's kick or something.
Yeah.
There's a KFC up here. You want me to stop?
Sure.
Oh, boy. Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Actually, Dale, you remind me of Colonel Sanders. We should call you Colonel Dale Chance. You probably sit at Chance's Steak with a white Colonel Sanders suit with those glasses and your hair parted over. Saying, your little cookie cutter sayings. Probably one of them is, you do a set, and you say, finger licking good. Colonel Dale Chance with the secret formula of herbs and spices.
And whatever it is.
The secret, drug, the secret steroid formula. It's finger licking good.
Those injectable amino acids.
Yeah. Colonel Dale Chance.
I had to reject that. Let me know if you people can still hear me, because my phone just went off. Usually when that happens, it cuts the sound off. Let's see what they say. Jesus.
Brad, I got a little dispute with Lou. He doesn't believe that we're not changing the time this year.
They said they were going to stop that, but I don't know if it's this year or next year.
Oh.
They did say they were going to stop that. They should. There's no reason to fucking change the clocks ahead of that.
My mother said something about that too, but I want to know for sure because that's coming up at the end of this.
Okay. We hear you, big head. They're obsessed with the size of my head.
I don't see what's so big about it.
Well, because, what's funny is, and you can ask the fans that have met me in person, and that's one of the first things they say is your head's not as big as it looks on the camera.
By the way,
it's just the angle. I'm not a fucking vain person. I don't need to do special.
You're not a vain person.
Special angles.
Why is that woman at the front desk coming up to you after her shift is over and saying, "I love your body artwork."
That doesn't make me vain.
What's that all about, Brad?
I don't know, Leonard.
I think the Maniacs want answers.
I think you're trying to stir up shit.
I love your body artwork.
Get a car handle. I know, man. I got to get one of those things to mount, like on the windshield. I'm fucking lazy. We're all lazy here. You're going to drink that whole chocolate milk and then have some fried chicken? Great post-workout snack. The Bully Gold Meal Plan. KFC. Do you really want me to go there? It's right here. Yes or no? I don't give a fuck.
It's so fucking greasy.
All right, then we're not going there. You almost spilled that all over yourself.
Actually, it's good. It forced it down my throat faster so I can grow.
Get some injectable chocolate milk. You go with Dale's injectable amino.
He doesn't even eat anymore. They inject it.
Oh, boy. So we went to Palm Beach Gym today. I'm sure you saw in my stories. It's actually a good gym. You got a lot of good equipment. And my lifetime ban has been lifted, so I could go there now.
One thing
What's missing?
There's no tans.
No, you're right about that. You saw your favorite trainer, though.
Disgusting. She makes sure she takes her HGH though, with that big bloated belly of hers and that busted belly.
Her belly wasn't bloated. She had a fucking
it's all puffed out. Anytime a girl has abs like that, they're doing GH.
Think so?
Yeah. Women are not going to get prominent abdominal muscles like that.
You don't think so?
Not unless they're doing GH. That eats that fat up real quick around there.
Real quick. Here, talk to these fucks. I gotta drive. Before I fucking rear end somebody. Don't be a Jason and just breathe into the fucking phone. Talk.
Saul died?
No, he didn't die yet. He will soon, but... don't feed into that shit.
This is lactose free. Actually, I'm thinking about converting to Islam for the simple fact to get a nice wife. There's a mosque on my bus route that I was thinking about going to. I don't know when their services are, but I'm sure I could find a very nice wife there. So just for that reason alone, I may consider it.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Converting to Islam. And getting a nice wife.
That walks behind you in public?
No, that cooks and cleans and respects you.
What, you think only Islam women do that?
They take pride in doing that.
You go over to the Bahamas, you can find you a nice Bahamian woman over there.
I'm sure I could.
They're all tans over there.
I'm sure I could, but
all it is tans.
You got to be careful though. They're out to get you though.
As far as what?
They know once they get that green card.
Yeah, once they become American,
they'll divorce you
after 2 years. Yeah. Then take half your shit.
If your religion prohibits that, and you have a faith community like the Muslims do, they're not going to allow her to do that. They'll take her right into the mosque and they'll straighten her butt out. You know, the other fellow women of the mosque. So,
you sure about that?
Yeah, actually, I talked to a kid. He says they like taking people from other religions all the time, and they, have little meetings and stuff, and it's a great place to meet a wife.
Why don't you just go back to church? Because they're all fucking...
They're feminists.
Yeah.
Cunts. I don't see the Catholic Church doing anything to in regards to having women be real women anymore. I haven't seen that even when I was going to church in the 70s and 80s.
What would you define as a real woman?
Somebody that takes care of themselves physically, spiritually, and intellectually, and his goal in life is not to have a career, is to find a nice husband and raise a great family, which I can see the point of a lot of women. There's a sad excuse for men, but it goes both ways. But to me, that's to be the ideal woman, and that makes herself physically attractive as well, not some fat, slob, feminist cunt. That feels that it's her body and I have a right to do whatever I want.
You think all feminists are fat slobs?
For the most part, yes.
Yeah.
I've never met a feminist that I jerked off to, put it that way.
Feminists.
Honestly, I haven't been going up on the Kavanaugh case. Maybe Mark could fill us in. I just,
I saw a clip where he was like actually crying.
Who, Mark?
The guy, the Kavanaugh guy. Yeah, very emotional.
I'm very out of tune to that.
Yeah, I haven't really paid attention.
And that's unusual for me.
I stopped paying attention to shit. Just, all it does is aggravate you. They're not telling you the fucking truth anyway about shit. You know how politics is. Did Dale jump in there yet? Dale,
as I expected, a very inspirational and intelligent quote. Dale Chance. Yeah, buddy. Well, you're going to...
Insightful.
Yes, I do believe it. I consider myself a Christian. I don't have any problem with being a Muslim and following Jesus. I see no conflict there.
No Muslims follow Jesus now?
Yeah, they do. I mean, they don't... Religion is religion, put it that way. They don't have the answers. They think they do, but they don't. You're going to find out when you die what the answers are. Now, it's good to join a community as far as establishing rules and how to live. That's nothing wrong with that.
Cutter sheep, right?
Well, people need some type of moral guidance in their life. I mean, as you can see, the results of...
That's why that shit was invented, to control people.
Well, it's probably a good thing, because there's too many...
Idiots, yeah. Too many imbeciles running the streets. And the imbeciles are the easily influenced ones.
True.
God is watching.
I'll give Dale a little slack until he gets himself to medical clearance.
You want me to stop now or after?
No, probably after. I mean, we'll get this over with.
All right.
I don't think I can have anything after this. There's a lot of calories in there.
Yeah, you're not going to fucking eat nothing after.
What about you?
I'll wait till after. It's fine.
Yeah, because Mark's probably sitting there.
Yeah, and after 8 o'clock, Andrew falls asleep, so... Tell him where we're going.
Maniacs are on our way to do a podcast. Number what, 35?
36.
Number 36. Our guest is going to be Synthol Mark. Haven't heard from him for a while, so batten down the hatches and get ready.
Oh, boy. Maybe he can tell you about his ejaculatorium.
How you doing, Dale? Hope to make a visit to Chance Estate sometime.
Give a shout out to Stephanie Walgreen. She did a fucking funny video I gotta show you.
Shout out to Stephanie Walgreens.
Like the fucking drugstore.
Did we just speak to Zach from Pro Nutrition?
No, we spoke to Henry. That was Henry. Why?
Who's Zach?
Zach is the other owner.
He just messaged on there. I'll get you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Lenny, that's not me. Dale, that was a troll account for Dale.
Thank you so much.
Also, the T-shirts are going to be done being made on Thursday. We had a lot. Come on, you fucking dope. So, I'm going to get them all shipped out by this weekend once we get them on Thursday. So, if you ordered a shirt, just sit tight. Since we had a week-long pre-sale, we have quite a bit to fill. So.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Who did he steal that from? Was that Ronnie Coleman? Come on now.
And he stole it from someone, too.
Oh, sure. Nobody thinks of shit for themselves anymore. Just like these... You see these fucking... we could talk about it on the podcast. I don't understand why guys wear joggers. You know what those pants are? They make your calves look fucking so small. Even if you have good calves,
like
they make your calves look... Yeah, they make your calves look horrible.
Well, that's the ideal.
Let's make our calves look small.
To make a man look like a woman or some shit, or like a feminist. That's the whole ideal.
I get it, man. Brad, you big-headed freak. Oh, thank you, Dale.
Boy, Andrew's toilet's going to get some abuse tonight.
The porcelain Punisher is on his way. Did you bring a toilet brush to clean it up? You're going to be shitting outside. He's going to make you lean up against the side of the house and shit in the plants. You could fertilize the fucking ficus. How's that? I'm going to go buy some jogger pants so I can make my calves look smaller, too. You want a pair, Leonard? What's your size? What's your waist size right now?
Too much to count.
Yeah?
Too big to put a measurement around.
A measurement? What's your guess of your waist right now?
I don't know. 50-something.
Fat and happy, just the way we like it.
Big and hard.
You, Jason, and Jay are all fat and happy. It's the best time for you guys.
I'll be happy when I suck down a few ounces on an empty stomach.
A few ounces. I'll take a few ounces of the other stuff. You can have your water.
I don't know what you're missing.
No, I'll try it. If it's any good, I'll try it.
Great. You become addicted.
Nah.
Yes.
I don't have that addictive personality. Hey, Mark's here. Look at that. Maybe he helped Andrew feed those fucking stupid ducks. Those African geese. Bedroom Bully says Lenny's range of motion is shit. Of course, because he's... Try tearing both of your biceps and having surgery and see what your fucking range of motion is. Fuck Jay. You should put a nipple on that bottle. That would be funny.
What Craig Goliath say, he does all half reps to keep the tension on the muscle.
No shit.
He doesn't even do 4 reps. Yeah. So he gets criticized, but he goes, look at me, and he flexes.
Yeah, there you go. So
heavy tension. Plus you don't fuck up your joints.
Yeah, exactly. Fuck your range of motion shit. All right, we're going to go do the